Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the POCO C55. So if you have a problem with the Bluetooth device, at the start always try from the reset the Bluetooth connection, so you have to turn it off and turn it on again. You can also try to reset your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate it you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. It's still not for your phone, open the settings and go to the connection sharing. Swipe down to the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Click on the reset settings button and click on the OK. After that look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. In the next step you can also try to upgrade system, so open the above phone and choose MIUI version. Now if you have any updates like me, just click on the download and update your phone. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.